So, I want to have a chat with you guys. And as you can see from the title of the video, it's all about, is it worth studying computer science in 2026? And the short answer is, of course it is. It's absolutely worthwhile studying computer science, machine learning, system engineering, especially cybersecurity. Oh my God, I think cybersecurity is gonna be such a hot, demanding industry for the next foreseeable future. I can get into that later. Let's put a pin in that. But computer science, essentially, it's the bedrock of modern day society today. A lot of the applications around the world, from banks, hospitals, airlines, oil companies, social media, schooling, they all use technology. And as we have entered this era, I think personally, if you were to ask me, I'll say that we're in the early phases of AI. So a lot of software still needs to be written. And if you're a graduate student watching this now, I'll say being able to write software is cheap right now. I think what makes software engineers or machine learning engineers, distributed system engineers, security engineers, any kind of engineering related or attributed to computer science, I think right now it's more about critical thinking and systematic thinking. I think those are the essential key skills from a technical point of view that you need to have in order to survive in an AI first world that we're slowly moving into. So that's that. So the reason why I said that, coming back to what I was saying about computer security, a lot of students nowadays, they are graduating using AI tools like Claude, Gemini, Codex, open source AI models, and whether that's Grok. Oh, Grok is not open source, but using tools like Grok or even DeepSeek, you can use those tools to write code. I think generating code is really cheap. So that means that there's a lot of rubbish and garbage code being published out there in the world. So there will be a lot of loopholes in a lot of these systems that people are now pushing out there. And there's been so many jokes around where, someone will vibe code an app and then they'll publish it online and they'll say, oh, I've published my app and I can't access localhost. If you're a true computer science student or person, you'll know about that joke. So it means that a lot of security needs, we need a lot of security folks out there. So if you're a security person and you like computer security, this is the perfect time for you to double down on that industry, double down on your knowledge, and it's a time to rake it in. If you want to be financially free, it's really gonna be a hot topic. So a lot of people are writing insecure code and they're publishing code that are just not secure or on boilerplate standard. So that's why I think that at the end of the day, if you're in security, then big props to you. If you're an engineer writing code, ensure that before you just accept everything, ensure that you rigorously use another agent to test your source code for security flaws and security bugs. So use another agent that you didn't use to write the code. That's what I'll highly suggest. So coming back to the topic, is computer science still worth it? Yes, it is still worth it. And I think that the key fundamental things still do not go away, starting with your data structures and algorithms. Me, myself, as person who's been in the industry for a while now, I still like studying LeetCode's like questions, and I still study my data structures and algorithms. Follow me on the channel if you want to see more of those. So these are some of the stuff that you still need to have the core fundamental aspect of computer science laid down. But the key primary thing that I would suggest from a technical point of view is understanding architectural decision, systematic thinking, and knowing how a distributed system works properly. That is what I would suggest for you guys. All right. Thank you.